is caged by a frail and fragile buzz. Restless by day and by night, rants and rages at the stars. God help the beast in me.
On August 18th, 1973, 5 teenagers, Erin, her boyfriend Kemper, Morgan, Andy, and Pepper, are on their way to a Leonard Skinner concert. After returning from Mexico, where they were supplying themselves with drugs for the concert. As they drive through Texas, they spotted this hitchhiker who eventually gets into their van. After they have tried to speak to the hitchhiker, who talks incoherently about a bad man, she shoots herself in the mouth with a .357 Magnum. Good evening, viewers. This is another chilling video of the remake of 2003, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And in front of you is the figure of the sheriff, Hoyt. And this is the scene where the hitchhiker shoots herself in her mouth, and the bullet then passes through her head, and you can see the window of the back of the vehicle that they drive, with the blood stains gushing from the back end, and the sheriff's foot's up on the back of the bumper. And so that's about what the figure looks like in the vehicle. And I already showed you the original Leatherface figure that I had, and this is the remake now. I got plenty more to read, but I don't want to spoil the movie for you if you have not seen it. But some remakes are not the best, but I particularly like this one. And I will have 3 more figures to show you after this. And this video probably won't be very long, but I thought I'd just throw out, I've made a couple videos in between the movies. I hope you have enjoyed them as much as I have put them together, but I'm trying some things different. So but I got plenty more figures to show you, and there's been a lot of good movies. One remake, if you haven't seen The Evil Dead, some people liked it, some people did not, but I enjoyed it. It was there. It was worth seeing. I guess this movie grossed $107 million worldwide, above its $9.5 million budget, so this movie wasn't too bad after all. Let's see, the movie was directed by Marcus Nispel and produced by Michael Bay, and co-produced by Kim Henkel and Toby Hooper, co-creators of the original 1974 film. So they did have some originals there to help create the remake, which is good. You know, that makes the movie worth seeing, and the figures that they have come out with are worth looking at. So give me what you think about this movie, thumbs up or thumbs down, and like I want you all to do is stay very creepy.